You know, with this year being so historic as the America 250 birthday, more and more Americans are wanting to fly the American flag proudly on their front lawn of their home, and I am one of them. I have flown an American flag at my home my entire life, and recently, just a couple of years ago, I changed mine out and I got a brand new flagpole, and I want to share with you what a great experience that was. I could choose any flagpole I want. As a contractor, I work with all different types of products, and I found one, AtlanticFlagpole.com. The reason why I chose them, there's nothing else quite like it. They're 100% American made with American military grade aerospace aluminum, all made right here with American labor, keeping our American jobs safe. But what's fantastic about this pole is that it's super easy to install. You can do it yourself, DIY, with all this kit I'm going to show you. But there's no cables, there's no pulleys, there's no clanking around in the wind. This is a telescoping flagpole, which is a really nice feature because it's very easy to lift and easy to lower. What's also great is that it has this dual harness system, allowing you to fly two flags. You can put the American flag up on the top hook and fly a secondary, maybe a military flag of your choice or some other flag below that. Or with the dual harness, you can fly the American flag at half staff whenever the occasion should have called for. So, telescoping flagpole, very easy to install, easy to raise up. Right now, they're running this Legacy 250 bundle at AtlanticFlagpole.com. I want you to check it out because you're never going to find anything quite like this. They're running a special deal. You can also click the QR code at the bottom of the screen to take you there. But let me show you what you're going to get in this bundle. Right now, they have a gold ball topper that goes at the top of the flagpole, which is a really nice addition. They also have something that is just fantastic. This is a solar-powered LED, very bright, mega lumen light that's going to sit up at the top of the flagpole, and that's going to keep your flag lit at night, which is super important. For those of you who don't know flag etiquette, it is critical that you raise and lower the flag, raise it in the sun up and take it down in sundown. Never allow the American flag to be in the dark. With one of these at the top of your flagpole, you can keep your American flag flying night and day because this automatically charges itself up during the daytime and automatically comes on at night, lighting up your flag, which is just fantastic. Also, they include this great ground sleeve. So this is how you install it. It's a very, very easy installation. You simply dig a small hole, you drop this sleeve into the hole, and you backfill it with a bag of concrete, sackcrete that you can pick up at your local Home Depot for a couple of bucks. The installation process of this sleeve takes only about 30 minutes, and when it's dry, you come out and you drop your flagpole right in. Couldn't be easier. Included in this bundle, you're going to get two flags, not just one. They are world famous for their super high quality military grade Duraflight material flags, which are quadruple stitched unlike any other. They're designed to not fade and take up to 100-mile-an-hour winds with embroidered stars. These are not screen printed. These are very high quality military grade flags. And in addition to that, this year only for America's 250, you're going to get the Legacy of Liberty flag, which is just a beautiful, beautiful flag. It's the America 250 Legacy of Liberty. That's going to be presented to you like this with a certificate of authenticity. This is a very limited edition. It's a commemorative flag that you can fly below your American flag on this dual harness. It comes with a certificate of authenticity, and this design is only good for this year. They only made 1,776 of these flags, and once they sell out, they're gone. And after this year, this design will be retired forever. So this is a beautiful keepsake. You can pass it down to your family, again, coming with a certificate. You're going to get all of these things in the bundle at AtlanticFlagpole.com, or you can click the QR code. Make sure you check it out. But before you go there, stick with me, because I want to show you how easy it is to install this flag, raise it, lower it. It's such a beautiful way to display your patriotism on the front lawn of your home. And one of the best parts about getting this bundle is that it comes with this easy install sleeve. It's going to make the installation super easy. You're simply going to dig a small hole, you're going to drop this sleeve into the hole and backfill around it with a bag of sackcrete that you can get at your local Home Depot. Once you're all done, it's going to look something like this. The sleeve is going to be sticking up slightly above the ground, and that's what's going to receive your new flagpole, making installation super easy. Now that our concrete is set up, we backfilled the dirt. Before we put the pole in, we just want to slide on a security lock anti-theft ring. And now we're ready to drop our flagpole in. And now that we have our ground sleeve all set up and ready to go, we can install our beautiful new Phoenix flagpole. Super easy, just slide it right into the sleeve and we are ready to start raising our flag. And now that we have our Phoenix flagpole installed and all the accessories on, we're ready to hang our flags and lift it up. So let's start out with Old Glory. We're going to go ahead and clip it right onto this first clip on the top. And again, I want to remind you, with this dual harness system, it allows us to fly 2 flags, or we can fly the American flag at half staff. So we'll go ahead and hook up our second American flag hook. And now we want to put our Legacy of Liberty flag that comes included in your kit. This is fantastic that you get this second flag. We'll hook that up to our second set of hooks on the dual harness, and the bottom hook for that flag. And again, these all swivel 360 so they don't get tangled in the wind. It's a really nice system with no cables, no pulleys, so it's very quiet, operates beautifully and smoothly, even up to 100-mile-an-hour winds with a forever warranty. Here we go. Let's raise it up. Our telescoping flagpole has 4 sections. We're going to raise up our first section right now. You can see how easy it is to lift up. And once we get it up there, we're going to twist it and lock it in place. So now that first section is locked. We'll lift our second section, and we're going to lock that in place. And now the third section and the final one, I'm going to lift it up, locking that locking mechanism, which is all upgraded now, ready for 100-mile-an-hour winds. And now the pole is fully extended, 25 feet standing beautiful, flying Old Glory and that Legacy of Liberty flag, along with the solar light and the golden ball topper, all included in your premium bundle. The Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole is made for Patriots by Patriots, all out of American military-grade aerospace aluminum. There's nothing else quite like it. And with a 365-day in-home risk-free trial period and a forever warranty, I said forever means forever, you have nothing to lose. This is a great package right now. This bundle, the Legacy 250 bundle, is available at AtlanticFlagpole.com right now at a very steep discount. And with warranties like that, this is the last flagpole you will ever need to buy. It's a great way to display your patriotism, not only on the front lawn of your home, but for your family and for your country. You're going to want to get yours while supplies last. So go to AtlanticFlagpole.com right now or click that QR code to get yours today.